We have at least 86 Sharia courts here, and the Muslim women really, really suffer. Unless they have a legally registered marriage, which the majority don't, the man just says, I divorced you 3 times, they're left destitute, and often the husband will badmouth them to the community. So when women came to me, we cried together. She wept on my shoulder, literally. She said, I'm just destitute. My husband has, he's saying, slagged me off in, our local community, but also back in Pakistan. So I'll never get another good husband. I have nothing. I'm destitute. And she was suicidal. Others similarly suffer not just from the asymmetrical divorce. And I mean, so they get no, under Islam, they get no support from that divorce. And they have to pay to go to the Sharia court or council, and if they don't have the money to do it. So they are left really desperate and destitute. And the men don't have to pay. I mean, they're completely free to carry on with their lives. So that is a source of suffering. Also the polygamy, whereby a man under Sharia law can marry 4 wives. And there was a lovely, brave Muslim lady in Birmingham who did a study of the plight of Muslim women in her area where she lived. And she found that many were in polygamous marriages. They didn't know they'd been married into a polygamous marriage, and they weren't very happy in the situation. And she also found the problems of the divorced women. And then there's a so-called honor-based abuse. And that can be very, very scary. The beatings, as long as it doesn't show, the other kinds of abuse, financial abuse. And Muslim women in this country are suffering in ways which would make, not all of them, but many Muslim women in this country are suffering in ways which would make our suffragettes turn in their graves. I think what's happening in Britain today. Trying to do something about it, I work with the Muslim Women's Advisory Council and with my lovely Muslim friends. And I've got a private members' bill before Parliament, which would require every religious marriage to be legally registered. And that would mean when these women were married, they would have at least some civil rights and some protection from the abuses they currently suffer.